Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today we got SzaZs in the building bringing us a retro look at a digital watch face. The guy always gets down on watch faces and he never ceases to amaze. This one is nice. Now, he's giving us a vintage look at what a digital watch face looks like in the 80s. The name of the watch face is called 80s Vintage Digital. It's a nice looking digital watch face, as you know SzaZs always brings to the table. Now, what you're gonna get when the watch face is in the AOD mode is a nice digital time. It's going to be lit up green, and you'll also get your date information as well. But the digital watch face really starts to shine once it's on. I like the fact that the day of the week is written out. You're going to get digital right up at the top. Then you get your date information, you come down, you're gonna get a big bold digital time. And for a guy like me, I need a watch face like this in my lineup. Down at the bottom, you are gonna get your heart rate information, step info, and you're gonna get your date. Now, this bar here represents your goal completed. This bar here at the top represents your battery, but it also lets you know your battery percentage as well. You get a moon phase, and you also get seconds. Now, the watch face is interactive, so if I tap here, I can bring up my heart rate information, step information, and also I could tap on the date, and it's gonna bring up calories burned. I thought this was a good look for a watch face. Now, if I tap here, I could set a favorite. I like this look, so depending on what you want for a favorite to make this watch face more convenient, you can tap there, and you can tap here, so you get two in all that you can customize to your liking, which is super awesome, right? And of course here, you're going to be able to get your weather, which is awesome. But double tap in the center and you'll be able to change the color theme of the watch face to whatever color you would like, and you get many to choose from. We're going to cycle through a few so you can get an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this super awesome digital retro watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.